Birds. In this module, you will characterize birds and learn about their nesting habits.
Birds. Birds are one of the most beautiful creatures on earth. They are found everywhere on the planet. We see a variety of birds around us. Birds have different shapes and sizes. Some birds can fly very high. Some can fly short distances. Birds like hens, cocks and peacocks cannot fly very high because their bodies are too heavy for their weak wings. Features of birds. Birds, like all other living beings, need food to survive. They do not have teeth like other animals to chew food. They have beaks and claws. They use their beaks and claws to catch and eat food. They also use their beaks and claws to protect themselves. Some birds eat flesh while others eat grains, fruits and seeds. Birds also have wings and feathers which help them to fly. Kinds of feathers. Body feathers give shape to a bird's body. Down feathers are feathers that keep a bird warm. Flight feathers are found on the wings and tail of a bird. They help the bird fly. How do birds fly? A bird's body is well suited for flying. The following features help birds to fly. Birds have a boat-shaped body which helps them to cut through air and fly easily. The bones of birds are hollow and light but strong. They have wings instead of arms which help them to fly. The tails of birds help them to change direction while flying. Facts on flying. Some birds like swallows and cranes can fly very long distances. Birds like hens and peacocks can fly only short distances. Eagles and vultures are excellent gliders. Some birds like ostrich and kiwi cannot fly at all. Hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backwards. Beaks of birds. Birds do not have teeth like other animals. They catch and eat food with their beaks. The beak of a bird is ideal for the kind of food it eats. Birds like sparrows and pigeons have short, hard and horny beaks. Flesh-eating birds like eagles and hawks have strong, sharp and hooked beaks to tear flesh. Strong and chisel-shaped beaks found in birds like woodpecker help them to make holes in the hard trunks of trees. Parrots have hooked beaks which help them to crack nuts and seeds. Birds like ducks have a broad and flat beak that help them to dig the muddy bottom of the pond in order to find food. Feet and claws of birds. The size and shape of feet and claws of a bird depends on what it eats, how it eats, and where it lives. Perching. Birds like crows and sparrows have slender claws which help them hold on to the branch of a tree. Scratching birds like hens and peacocks have strong legs to scratch the ground. Swimming birds like ducks have webbed feet which help them to swim in the water easily. Nesting habits in birds. A bird's home is called a nest. Birds make nests to lay eggs and protect themselves and their young ones from enemies and bad weather. Some birds make their nests on trees and some birds make their nests in tall grass. Birds use a variety of things to build their nests. These things include twigs, dry leaves, cotton, feathers, paper, stones, pebbles, wool, etc. Nests of some birds. A bulbul builds its nest in bushes. A tailor bird uses its sharp needle-like beak to stitch its nest. A woodpecker makes a hole in the trunk of a tree to make its nest. A cuckoo does not build its own nest. It keeps its eggs in the nests of crows. A penguin makes its nest on the ground.
Let's recap. Birds are of different shapes and sizes. Some birds can fly high and long distances, while some other cannot fly at all. Birds do not have teeth but beaks to catch and eat food. The size and shape of the feet and claws of a bird depends upon what it eats, how it eats, and where it lives. Birds make nests to lay eggs and protect themselves from enemies and bad weather